Alright, let's do the honors of
Unboxing is bad boy.
It does look like a shit box, but you know.
That's GameStop would expect.
Alright. Little fun bags.
Fun bag. Oh, there it is.
There's the extra controller, right?
Yep. Just gonna bring that.
Then we got
It's a bad boy.
the Assassin's Creed Valhalla.
Yep.
Alright. And let's see here. Where are we opening this from? We could go
That is-
this side or this side. I don't think it matters.
Yep.
I'll go for this side.
Oh, I've seen a few videos
Or-
that the PCB inside there actually has Master Chief planted on certain spots. Of course, I get a message right, you know that. Probably Lex.
I feel like, no, it's gotta be like this.
Oh yeah, like normally how the
Like this.
Xbox likes to do things.
Yeah, it's weird.
I think that's upside down.
Yeah, probably. Alrighty. Ooh. Oh, look at this. What the fuck? That's really it? That's so small.
Yeah.
Yo, that is small as fuck.
But the quality of the packaging.
Yeah, the packaging on this is like seriously heavy duty. This fucking console though it's heavy for this small.
Go to the download and go to the Xbox app to set up console.
I would say it's almost 20 pounds. What do you think? What, at least 15 for such a small little thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, put this back in.
Says something about the app to help with some setup, some shit. I don't fucking know. They're really connecting it with an app.
I don't know.
I'll check that out later. Oh, I also got to give you the code from my email.
I'm guessing all the stuff is back in there.
Oh, yep.
What do we got here? HDMI.
I'm assuming
Power.
it's a HDMI 2.1 cord. I'm assuming. Because these, that's what handles a high refresh rate. If you had a high refresh rate,
Okay.
thing. Which I'm pretty sure actually, I'm not 100% on there, but I'm pretty sure you can hook this up to your 1440p monitors and get a high refresh rate from that. Wait, no, you can't because it doesn't have 2.1. But you can definitely get that good quality.
Feels.
Yeah, bring it closer to the.
Yeah, I think this
show it off a little bit.
feels a little lighter too than most
Yeah.
controllers. It's got the little bit of the grip here and on the back actually. Both sides. It's really nice. Feels good. What? Where's my other controller?
Oh, you're gonna compare the two?
Yeah, I'm gonna compare weight here. I just gotta pull this off. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. This feels heavier, but it also has batteries in it. Hold that for a second.
Yeah, put the batteries back in.
I'll do these in.
I wonder, I think the old battery packs are actually compatible.
Yeah, it looks exactly the same. Well, hold on, pop that off. Yeah, it's got the same battery style.
So I'm assuming they're compatible. Yeah, this
Well,
does. This feels a tiny
feels
bit
a
lighter.
little lighter, yeah. A bit lighter.
Oh, but I like that texture.
Yeah, see, the newer controllers for the old system only have it right here on the inside.
Yeah.
But
This has got it.
that has it on the outside. This one has it, but it's much lighter.
Yeah.
For the texture. Alright.
And I like how they went to Type-C charging. That way you can't plug in the charger wrong.
Yeah. Making sure there's nothing else in here. I don't think so.
Nope.
No, just the HDMI 2.0 or whatever.
2.1.
2.1. Have the better graphics.
Oh no,
Or do I have to get a display?
no, what that does, it makes it to where it can, if your monitor actually had it,
Okay.
a 2.1 port, it could handle, this could handle the higher refresh rates, like the 144.
Okay. Okay.
Although I don't think it goes up, I think it goes to like 120, but, which only certain of the new TVs actually support that, so you won't be getting a whole lot of those features right now.
Yeah. Not unless I use one of the monitors.
Yeah. Alright, now we can
Yeah,
un...
let's actually open the box itself.
Well, not the box, the bag.
Well, the Xbox box.
Or as some people call on the internet right now, the Xbox Series Sex. Yeah, watch Review Tech USA. He says that a lot. I don't know if that's combining both the S and the X, or...
Okay, it's got only got a nice little mount for the bottom.
Yeah, well... Yeah.
Alright. I had assumed that this green stuff in here was actually like over top. I didn't realize it was just down in.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
I'll look through here. This is super heavy. Okay, for the back we got Ethernet, power, HDMI. Alright. So it looks like it's got USB in the front with the connector. CD disc thing. It looks like it could sit flat like this.
Yeah, cause it's got, it's got those little feet down there. So.
Yeah. Alright. I think I'm gonna have mine standing up though. I like how compact this is. It's really small. So we got what, 2 USB here, Ethernet, power, HDMI,
And that's for the proprietary external drives.
the SSD ones?
Yes.
Okay. Wonder what this is, just more airflow. A lot of airflow in this box.
Oh yeah?
Even on the bottom.
Oh, you
I
see
wonder if
those
this plate
videos
comes
where people were faking the smoking?
No, no.
You didn't see those videos?
No.
People were blowing vape in the back and creating viral videos saying that they were smoking.
That's funny. Oh wait, yeah, you can see it. The fans in entire size of that inside there.
After this, you should definitely watch the video.
Alright, here, if you want to get any close-ups. Yeah,
Hold
I'll
my
check
phone
out
for a
that.
second. Well, I like the angle. You look at it from an angle.
Yeah, and it
That is
shows
nice.
green. Yeah, I didn't realize that you didn't see it straight on. It's only at the angle.
I call this. That's the back. Getting all that goodness. Front.
Did you see how the CDs go into the PlayStation 5? They go in
no.
weird.
Well, that's next video, so.
Yeah. This one should go in normally.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, that is sexy. First time setups takes a while, no matter what console it is. No, we have a code for you for that, so. Country Road. Ooh.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, can I turn off that light for a second? See if
Yep.
We can get a better. Oh yeah, that looks much better now. That is nice.